How to install the official build of POSP or Potato open source project on the Poco F3, the Mi 11X or the Redmi K40. Hey peeps, what's up? Manchi here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install the official build of POSP or Potato open source project on the Poco F3, the Mi 11X or the Redmi K40. Now for full disclosure, I do have the Poco F3 which is sold as the Redmi K40 in China, and it is sold as the Mi 11X in India. So the process is going to work on all three devices, which is your Poco F3, Mi 11X or the Redmi K40. Now what are the prerequisites for this video? Well, you do need to have an unlocked bootloader, and you also need to have TWRP recovery installed. How do you unlock the bootloader? How do you install TWRP recovery? Videos for those can be found in the description of this video, and do note we are using TWRP by Vashisht in this video. Next thing, make sure your battery is charged at least 50 to 60%. Do not, and I repeat, do not do this process if your battery is at 20 or 30%. Also make sure you have a backup of all your pictures, videos and anything important which you have on your device, because we are going to perform a format data and you are going to lose all your pictures, videos and anything important which you have on your device. Another thing I recommend is that you should be coming from stock MIUI, and how do you go back to stock MIUI? Video for that can be found in the description of this video as well. So here it is. I do have the Poco F3 which right now is running MIUI 12.5.1 based on Android 11. Now the first thing we need to do is we will go into settings, password and security, remove your screen lock, fingerprint and face unlock. Once that is done, go back, go into Mi account and remove your Mi account. Once that is done, go back, go into accounts and sync and remove your Google account. Once you've removed all the accounts and security measures, make sure you reboot your device once. Now why are we removing all the accounts and security measures? We're doing this because we are going from one ROM to another, and I don't want you to be locked out of your own device. Next up, what are the files which we need? All the files which you need are linked in the description of this video, and you need only one file, which is the official Potato open source project or POSP ROM, and this file contains Google Apps as well, so that is the only file which you need. Next thing we need to do is we need to boot into our custom recovery, which is TWRP. So first of all, turn off your device, and once the device is turned off, press and hold power and volume up together, and once you feel the vibration you can let go of the power button. So we'll wait for the vibration. I felt it, let go of the power button, volume up is still pressed, and we have now booted into our recovery, which is TWRP. Now once we booted into TWRP, we will go into wipe, advanced wipe, select Dalvik, and that is the only thing which you need to check, and then swipe to wipe. Once that is done, tap on the home button, go into install. Now you need to navigate to the folder where you have Potato open source project or official POSP ROM zip file. In case you downloaded the file on your phone directly, it will be in the download folder. If you transferred it manually, you would know the location. We need to select the file and then make sure that inject TWRP after install is checked, because if this is not checked, then your recovery might be replaced with the default recovery for the ROM, and we do not want that to happen. So once you've selected this, and next thing, swipe to confirm flash. So as you can see, the ROM was flashed without any errors because we are on step 2 of 2, and next thing we are doing is we are unpacking and going to repack the boot. So this is the step wherein TWRP is being injected again so that it is not replaced. And again, you do have to be patient. The things in red about backup can be ignored, no need to worry about them. And we got image flash completed twice. This means the ROM has been flashed and TWRP has also been injected. Next, tap on the home button, go into reboot, and here and select recovery. Now once we boot it back into TWRP, we will go into wipe. Of course, the touch drivers do take some time to load, so you have to be patient. Let us try it one more time. Wipe, format data, type in yes, tap on the check mark on the bottom right. Do note format data will result in wiping out of all your pictures, videos, anything important which you have on your device, and the errors which you get about unable to open data recovery version. This one can be ignored along with the unable to mount error, and I think we should get some more errors once the format data process has finished successfully, and those can also be ignored. So here it is, format data was performed without any errors. These errors about failing to mount some partitions can be ignored. All you need to do next is select reboot system. And there it is. We do have the pretty cool looking Potato open source project, or POSP boot animation, on our Poco F3, the Mi 11X, or Redmi K40. The ROM is in fact baking because that is the text in the background, or the text behind POSP, and the first boot up might take some time, so you have to be patient. Alright, so potatoes have been baked successfully, which means we should be on the setup screen, and let me skip the initial setup real quick. And there it is, we are on the home screen. You can see we do have the Google Play Store. Let us open the application drawer, and again Play Store is there. Chrome is also there, which means Google apps were flashed, or they were part of the ROM install. Next, let us go into settings, and looks like the touch is not working, and this I think happens to me a lot of times. Yep, it happened again, and this means the device is going to reboot, and once it reboots, everything will be absolutely fine. So we are back into the ROM, and let us now go into settings. Touch of course is working. Go into about phone. And herein, if I tap on the Android version, you will notice Android version is 11, POSP version is 4.2, which is the latest at the time of recording this video. Security patch is from August 2021. The build type, of course, is official, and there it is, peeps. That is how you install the official build of POSP, or Potato open source project, on the Poco F3, the Mi 11X, or the Redmi K40. And that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares, and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.